everyone. So here is some thing which I want to share with you all. So it sometimes happens that we unknowingly, get signs which may indicate that your twin flame is missing you right now. Many people want to know if their twin flame still remembers or misses them, and here are some signs which you may get when he or she is um, thinking about you. We fail to understand these things. We think that these things are pretty normal, and but it's a sign of a universe that these things indicate that your twin is missing you. So here are some signs. The first sign is that sometimes it may happen that we are talking to a certain person, and suddenly we take our twin's name. I mean, we are talking to some another person, but out of excitement we take our twin's name because that is something which is most of the time, is going through our minds. So this is one of the indication that the person, your twin, is missing you a lot. He is coming in your thoughts as a result, and you are unknowingly, uttering their name while talking to someone else, or unknowingly also their name comes on your speech. So the second thing which may indicate that your twin is missing you is that you might start listening a song which indicates which you might have listened some at the time when you were with your twin. Matlab that song starts playing which reminds them of you. You must have heard it some at some moment when you were with them, or uh, which reminds you of a certain moment. So you might hear a song out of nowhere which reminds you of them. And sometimes it may happen that we actually feel their physical presence around us. We feel them, their touch, and their presence around us. We feel just that they have just touched us. So this is something which happens most of the times when we are in separation with our twin. They are thinking of us, and we can really physically feel them. So the next sign is that uh, uh, sometimes it happens that yeah, we miss them, and we always miss them when we are in separation. But sometimes this happens that we start missing them more than usual. There is a high intensity of pain, and we are crying, and you know we are not able to concentrate on our daily work we do, or our studies, and this is something which we feel unusual. Why is this happening? Why is so much of pain out of nowhere, we are feeling? So this happens when your twin is missing you a lot, and they can't do anything about it, and that pain you also start feeling that high level of urge to just contact them, to feel them, to talk to them. So this is one of the signs. And the next sign is that uh, many of the times we most of the times it happens with us divine feminines, that we start crying out of nowhere for no reason. We don't have any reason. We're not sad, we're not happy, we just start crying out of nowhere. We listen to something, or we see a particular song, or something happens, we start crying. We just start crying for no reason. So this is something, which happens most of the times with us. And you may see your twin's name on some billboard or some social media, some celebrity. I mean, you may see their name in some post, in some billboard, in news you're hearing. I mean, anywhere you can hear their name out of a sudden, and you just remember them again. So this is one of the sign. Um, Next of the sign, which is a very important sign, is that they start appearing in your dream more often. When you wake up in the morning, you are just drowned in their thoughts and their uh, memories. So that is something which, sometimes it happens even me, that out of nowhere I suddenly get their dream, and that dream is more like their physical presence. I can actually uh, not differentiate whether it was a dream indeed or not. So that dream is more like the reality. And when you wake up in the morning and you realize, oh my god, it was a dream, that sadness, when you get the sadness, that is something that your twin is also dreaming about you. They also want the moments with you again. mm, and uh, many time it happens that you know when we are away from them, we are separated, we are so angry at them at not contacting us, or at thinking that they have forgotten us. But when we talk to them, or they talk to us after a separation, we are just overwhelmed and overjoyed by their by talking to them, and we feel so much satisfaction that our anger turns into love in a moment. That is also a sign that he also loves, and thinks about you as much as you do. So, and there are many other signs also, that you start talking to them